Welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Alrighty guys, so in today's video, let's talk about a trend that has been trending for a few years now, but it is really starting to gain traction. Of course, I'm talking about Cluttercore here. This is a style that you may be seeing all over TikTok or all over Instagram, and more people are really starting to just really get into it. Okay, so first off, I want to check on some of my minimalist friends out there. I hope you guys are okay. I know this video seems like a fever dream. You're probably like, what the heck is going on? I would never. I understand. Hope you're doing okay. Let's talk about Cluttercore though. Now, Cluttercore is a design trend that really embraces sort of like an organized chaos, and it encourages you to fill your home with a lot of mismatched but meaningful things that would really make you happy. So cluttercore is not to be confused with hoarding or just clutter. It's not about making a mess or just having a extremely filthy, dirty home, just filling your room with piles of stuff, right? It's about displaying and arranging what you have so that your most loved and prized possessions stand out. So cluttercore is perfect for people that have lots of collections of things, whether you collect glasses or plates or thimbles or whatever it is. It's all about collecting them and then giving them their moment to shine somewhere in your home. So the result ultimately is a happy home that you are surrounded by just a lived-in mismatch of things that you love and that really bring you joy. It's a home that really emphasizes and puts on display your unique personality. But cluttercore is at its heart of heart a form of maximalism. It emphasizes the idea of layering as many elements and patterns and textures as possible. The main difference is that cluttercore is a lot more personal. It's heavily based on emotion and nostalgia. The aesthetic inspires many young people to move away from conventional interior design. We've talked about that a few times on this channel, how at one point in time you went into everyone's home and it was gray or farmhouse, and it really encourages them to look at parts of their personality or really who they are and extend that throughout their home. Is a great time to get into this. You know, I call us a home decor family, and one of our home decor family members named Tom has a website that I want you guys all to run over and check out. It's called Deco to Disco Collectibles. He has items from a 50-year span from 1929 through 1979. Really awesome, rare, hard to find items that would look great in your home. If you are a fan of cluttercore or maximalist or eclectic designs, definitely head on over, check out his website. Have the website listed on screen as well as in the description box. You guys, he didn't pay me to say this. This is not a sponsorship of any type. I just really want to support you all just like you support me. So head on over and tell him that I sent you. Okay, back to the video. So if you are tired of the less is more mantra and you're ready to do something different in your home, let's talk about how to bring cluttercore inside those four walls that you live in to make it a home that you love. So first off, to pull off the eclectic look overall, opt for bold patterns, statement furniture, unique prints, trinkets, and plants, just to add to that cluttercore aesthetic. The best way to make clutter look stylish is to take the time and really consider where you are going to place different items. Each item, each trinket, everything should serve a purpose to add to the design of the room, rather than just being randomly placed wherever. So the first tip would be to build it up slowly. Now, if you are new to Cluttercore, you're new to this design style, don't just run out to Burlington or Ross and just buy 60 items all at once. It's really important to start slowly. This isn't going to be a decor style that you can really just get done in a weekend unless you already have some of those pieces at your home. Instead, start by adding a few pieces at a time rather than just throwing everything in a basket, bringing it home, and just setting it up straight away. Now, this is going to give you time to move things around and work out what works best where, how it looks, maybe if I place it here or turn it this way. And it's really going to also allow you to inject your own personality into your room. You're going to collect and acquire pieces of decor that you are attracted to, pieces that you are drawn to, and pieces that you love. So over time, your space will ultimately reflect you. Another tip, even though we already just kind of touched on it just slightly, buy what you love. Although you may want to go ahead and get your room that you're decorating in Cluttercore just done quickly and as soon as possible, really this is a design style that's going to take some time. So you want to hold some spaces and hold out for, items and trinkets and things that you really love that you may not even know that you love yet. Style and design are both very personal, so really try to avoid purchasing or buying something just because it's trendy right now. A very, very good example of this would be the Rae Dunn products. Now, I personally love them, as do so many other people, but I know so many people that are just kind of purchasing them just because they know it's the thing to purchase right now. They really don't just love it. So save your money and save your space for items that you are truly drawn to. To get a truly one-of-a-kind look, don't forget to play with your colors and your patterns and just kind of all of those things, including textures and layering. And last but not least, definitely play with your shapes and sizes. Just go all out and have fun. Let me know what your favorites were down below in the comments section. If you are curious, here are some of mine. Alrighty friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you want to see more, check one of these right here. Also, let me know down below in the comment section if there's a certain video that you'd like to see. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye friends.